In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to apply easily to this tuition-free university in Germany without no application fees, no UNIASSIST, and no Ielts. I would also be sharing the various scholarship opportunities available at this university once you get admitted. Sounds interesting? Please watch this video till the end to get all the vital information. Hi, my name is Sylvia. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends. The university is called Friedrich-Alexander University Erlangen in Nuremberg. This university is located in Bavaria state in southern Germany and is the second largest city after Munich. So once you're on the website, you navigate to degree programs. So when you scroll down, you're going to click on international degree programs. And here they have degree programs that are taught exclusively in English. They have the ones partly taught in English, and also they have the ones that are taught in other foreign languages. But we're interested in exclusively in English, so we're going to click on this. So these are basically the courses that this university offers that are taught in English. There are a couple of them that are bachelor's program. For example, autonomy technologies is Bachelor of Science, clean energy processes is Bachelor of Science. When we also scroll down, you can see International Business Studies is a Bachelor of Science, International Economics is a bachelor's program, and the rest are basically masters. So please do well and go through it and select what interests you. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be clicking on International Business Studies Bachelor's. Let's have a look. So this is the web page for International Business Studies. We're going to click on this link to see more details. For this particular faculty, Business Studies, they have International Business Studies, which is a bachelor program, and also they have International Business Studies, which is also a bachelor program. These are basically full-time studies. The duration is 3 years. It's going to be starting in October, and the degree is going to be Bachelor of Science. Language is, of course, in English, and there's going to be a compulsory semester abroad. And here it says semester fee is approximately 125 euros, and this is basically your bus ticket and some administrative fee. So this university is completely tuition free. Right now I'm going to click on applications. So for you to apply into this particular program, the requirements are you're going to have a sufficient knowledge of English language. We can click here for more information. We're going to come to that in a bit. You're going to be applying on the university's portal, which is this link, which you're going to see shortly. And here it says, kindly note that applicants are required to hand in paper copies of several documents. And you're going to find more of this information when you are applying directly on the application portal, which is the Campo. And it says the application portal opens May 2023, and the deadline of this application is July 15th. So for some other courses, there could be earlier deadlines. So please do well to check this and be sure of the application deadline for the program. Tuition fee per semester, this is approximately 125 euros, which is subject to change every semester. And this is for administration and basic ticket for public transport. And this program is going to be starting October 2023. I'm going to be clicking on the frequently asked questions. Let's see some of the questions that are important in this place. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. And also subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. What are the basic requirements for the application? And it says you need a higher education entrance certificate, knowledge of English. The second question, what are the English language requirements for this application? The degree program is taught in English throughout, so you need a proficient knowledge of English. Also, it says here that in case your entire education was completed in an institution with English as medium of instruction, or your school leaving certificate states that your English language proficiency is at least equivalent of B2 level. At this point, it will suffice as a proof of English language proficiency. So please do well and go through any of these questions to get yourself familiarized with the application. To make the application proper, I'm going to be clicking on this online application portal Campo. This is the application portal Campo. Once you are here, you're going to click on this link, applicants, if you want to apply for or enroll in a degree program. So I'm going to click on this. And now you click on register at IDM. Now you fill in your personal information like so, and then you click on submit. It brings you to review your data like so, and then you click on submit. And now it says successful registration. I'm going to check my email right now to see the link. This is my mailbox now, and I'm going to click on this link to verify my email. Now this is the start page. I'm going to click on this start. Read through the terms and conditions, and afterwards you click on accept. Asks you for a recovery email. If you want, you can put a recovery email or you skip this. I'm going to skip this. Now you have to create a new password. Once you've created a new password, you click on set password. It says registration successful. Right now I'm going to activate my IDM ID. And now you have to register as a prospective student. So I'm going to click on I want to study. And now I have to activate my IDM ID. Have you received the IDM activation letter? I'm going to say yes. And in my email, I'm going to copy my IDM identifier. So here you're going to paste your IDM identifier from your email, and then you put your activation password. Click on submit. Brings you to this interface where you're going to be logging into the FAU, and you're going to be using your username and the password that you already created. And you click on login. And here I have to click on this Campo access, so I have to click on apply. In order to send your application, you have to click on request Campo. And here it says, are you sure? You said request. Now it says Campo has been successfully requested. At this point, you enter your username and your password and you click login. Now this is my portal where I'll be making the application. To start the application, you're going to click on open application portal. Now this is my personal information. This is the applicant's number, and this is application semester, winter semester 23-24. And now I have to click on add requests. Here you're going to be adding your desired degree by selecting on this, and I'm going to be selecting bachelor's program. And I'm going to click on subject, and I'm going to be selecting international business studies, non-EU citizen. So be careful to select the right study because there are ones for German and the ones for non-EU. So I'm going to click on non-EU citizen. Now you're going to select the subject semester. So it's going to be the first semester. The type of admission is admission restriction. And here you're going to click continue. Now you can see the first request is BS International Business Studies, my PO number. And here you're going to be filling everything as requested here. So this is for university entrance qualification. So here I'm going to be putting my details, and it's going to be peculiar for each person. So take your time, read through everything carefully and fill them out. And once you're done, you click on continue. By your right, this is your personal information. By this pencil mark, you have the option to also edit and correct something. And this is the print control sheet in case you want to see the overview of what you are filling. And if for any reason you want to come back, you can click on log out and then you log in back. And this is basically how it's going to be. You can click on to overview to view your overview sheets. This is my overview right now. It says my request is still in preparation, and my request is only one request, which is Bachelor's International Business Studies. And here I can click on submit if I'm done, but I'm not done. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon to edit and continue filling the application form. And here you can see that this application form is possible until July 15th, 2023 for international applicants. And when you scroll down, you can see another button to add another request in case you want to apply to more than one course in this university. Importantly, read all the instructions and obey all the instructions. Take your time and fill it as honest as possible so that they can understand your case. And once you are done, you hit on. At the beginning of this video, I made mention of scholarship opportunity. There are tons of scholarship opportunity available at this particular university, which you must take advantage of and apply to them. Who knows, you might be lucky to win one of these scholarships. There are politically oriented scholarship, religiously oriented scholarship by other foundations, also scholarship for specific subject and target groups, scholarship for graduate and doctoral candidates, a whole lot. I cannot talk about all of them one by one. All you have to do is to take your time, read through them and see if it is applicable to international students. And once it's applicable, click on their website, get to know more information. And if it is what you like and you meet the requirements, you apply to it. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.